Hello everyone, I'm Moez back with another launch/demo video of yet another product that I built while being unemployed. So let's just get started right away. Now we'll start with the problem statement. Okay, so the average person types at around 52 words a minute. Natural speech moves at roughly 130, so that's like a 2.5 times gap between the pace. So if you do the math, which I'll leave somewhere in the screen, if you spend 1 hour a day typing 5 days a week, you are essentially wasting like 3 hours every single week just wrestling with your thoughts and your fingers. So Flint can help you save those hours. Now, Flint is a dictation application that works everywhere you need to type. So anywhere you have a cursor, you can use Flint. Flint runs on your Mac, so nothing leaves your computer. It's completely private and it's unlimited and it's completely free to use. So think like Whisperflow, Monologue, Willow, something like that, but completely free, unlimited, and open source to use. Now let's just get started. To get Flint, you need to come here at flint.noisrabani.dev. Click on this download beta button. You need to give your first name, your last name, which is optional. Give your email. By the way, you can contact me at this email if you want to work with me. Click on this check mark. You will receive a OTP and you shall receive a OTP at your email. Paste that OTP and click on the verify button. So yeah, you should expect a macOS warning when you're trying to open Flint because I have not signed up with Apple's developer program and it's something that's not available in the App Store. So expect that warning and click on I understand and download the .dmg file for Flint. It's downloaded. Now if you try to open it, okay, so I am presented with this installation window right away, but it's very probable that when you guys try to open the .dmg file, you will see a warning that this is from the internet and Apple could not verify it from malware. So you should just proceed anyways because that's a standard warning that you receive when you try to install applications that are not there on the App Store. So just drag and drop. So Flint is now installed. Okay. Now, if I try to open Flint now, you see, I am presented with this warning. As I said earlier, I am not enrolled with Apple's developer program, so Flint is not signed with Apple's developer certificates. That's why we see these warnings. So what you need to do is just click on Done, go to your system settings, go to the security section, scroll down, and you shall see Flint was blocked to protect your Mac. You click on Open Anyway, click on Open Anyway, give your Mac's password, and there you go. So now this is what you will be presented with when you initially install Flint. This is the onboarding screen. So click on next. Yeah, by the way, yeah, as I told, it's completely local and nothing goes to the cloud. So everything you do with Flint is completely private, stored in your computer. Okay. So now you can select your meta key. This is basically if you have used Whisperflow or some dictation application like that, you can have a meta key configured which you press down and the dictation application gets activated. So in Flint, you have a couple of options to choose from. I'll go with Fin and I'll keep the input behavior to push to talk. You can also have it as toggled. So yeah, let's go to next. Now let's grant it Flint the microphone permission because that's what it will be using. We also need accessibility permission. So let's give Flint that as well. I'll give my Mac's password. And here we go. I think that's, yeah, both of the permissions are provided. Click on next. Now here you will be prompted to download a model. I suggest you download the most accurate model. So there are 3 model versions you will be able to download for Flint. With this model is basically required to power your dictation for Flint. So I'm gonna go with downloading the accurate. It basically scans your system's hardware requirements and suggests you the model. But in Flint's settings, you can always download a smaller model if you want to. All right, so the model is now ready. So let's go to the next step. So Flint is basically set up in your computer right now. You can just test it by clicking on this text input. Hold down the meta key you selected. I selected Fin, so I'm gonna hold out Fin. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. release the key, and here you go. Flint just puts your dictated text into wherever your cursor's focus is on. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And if you want, you can try it on notes as well. For example, if I bring down my notes over here, I can basically say the same thing. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. There you go. That's Flint for you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.